The following video is a demonstration of the BL77D Ultra Loc frame clamping system by Body Loc. Do you have a cheap machine lacking a frame clamping system? Let us show you the fastest, most effective, and affordable system available for cheap. Using the Ultra Loc system is very easy. Simply remove existing pinch weld clamps from chief bases and install Ultra Loc clamp. The vehicle in the demo has a box style frame, so the clamp is set up in the box configuration. If the vehicle were a C-channel style frame, then the tech would set up the Ultra Loc clamp for the C-channel configuration. After raising the vehicle a few inches to gain clearance, place clamp under frame. Included with the clamp set are 4 wood blocks. These blocks shim the frame to the optimal position for the biting surface of the clamp to grab. They also prevent any possible slippage on a hard down pull. On a C-channel style frame, wood blocks would not be used. Now put your impact in reverse and tighten clamp. Now the final step, counter chaining. This procedure is sometimes neglected because traditional lever and ratchet style binders are cumbersome and hard to use in the limited space underneath vehicles. With the Body Loc BC49 6-ton chain binder, a solid counter chain can be achieved in seconds with your impact. Now repeat this process on the other side of the vehicle and you're ready for repair. The Body Loc BL77D Ultra Loc and the BC49 chain binder. Fast, simple, effective, and affordable.